All right, here we go, folks. Look at our beautiful back doors. What do you think, Rich?
It's beautiful.
Right. I'm not
painstakingly handcrafted.
Yeah, you're not crazy about how the gappage turned out and whatever because the door opening isn't straight, flat, and square. The doors now, we did it right? The Lawson brothers.
Perfect.
The Lawson brothers built some straight, flat, square, perfectly shaped doors, and none of the gaps anywhere are the same because this thing was built in literally 3 minutes before lunch on a Wednesday,
exactly.
25 years ago, and you know,
after lunch on Friday.
Right. We should have measured the hole and built the doors to the hole instead of measuring what we took off.
Yeah.
But still, she's sealed up. It's good to go. Looks nice. Hopefully we can keep it just raw aluminum like that. If we have to, we'll just run Scotch-Brite up and down it every now and again. And something, I don't know, but I like it. I like the way it looks. I like that silver paint. We're going to get some more paint. Got to get there's a little spider. We're going to have to get some bombs inside and bomb the daylights out of this thing a day or two before we leave. Before we start loading up go-karts and sleeping apparatus and whatever, we're going to have to bomb the daylights out of it, make sure all the bugs inside are dead. But that's it. Turned out good. See if you can crack them open there, Richie. It's going to take 2 hands.
Well, it's that crush adhesive. It's got the doors stuck together.
Does it?
The foam.
Just pull it up. Pull it open. And just open it up. It'll come. Got hot, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. They won't. They're not going to come. They're not going to come open too far because I jacked the front of the trailer back down. But
wait till you can open them and see that wood.
Yeah, that wood looks nice.
The wood grain looks beautiful on there.
I think we could take. I cut these down a bit, but I think we could take valve caps and just screw them right over top of there.
You know what you should do is glue them on. That way people can't come up there fooling around and zip, take them off.
All right.
Just put some silicone on it or something, some epoxy, and glue those bad boys on there.
Dang, even the paint on the trailer got beat up from this thing, man, going in here.
Yep.
How the heck is that happening? It doesn't get anywhere near there. How does it? Oh, from when it cranks it all the way down, probably.
Yep.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, all right. Well, you know what? It is what it is. We're going to have to just,
go with it.
Touch it up here and there when she gets to rusting, which she will do because she's steel. Well, that's it.
She's sweet.
Yep. I don't like how far the doors stick out like that, but I mean, they're the same shape and size and everything that the other stuff was. It just doesn't make a hell of a lot of sense.
No, it don't.
Probably got to do with these hinges being like they are too,
Well, that's helping it, but it can only go in so far on the door.
I know.
The door lip edge, where the door seats in there.
Yeah, it was about 3/4 of an inch, and these are 1.25 inches wide. So, and that's the same dimension as the old door.
The stock ones, yeah.
Yeah, it is what it is. No one will see it at 95 miles an hour down the highway, right?
100 miles an hour, nope.
Nope, they'll be mesmerized by the big RPM bright orange sticker on the side of that thing.
Just
bing.
Unless we happen to be in construction in Chicago, and then
forget
people
it.
don't see our
Ain't
trailer,
never happening.
They don't see nothing.
Ain't going through Chicago again. Not with no trailers. No time, no how.
Not unless
no way, no how.
Not unless we can carry some hand grenades.
All right. So that's the end of the trailer video. That's it. Got anything to say?
Nope. We finally got her done. Get that side door done and get her painted up. It'll be Repsol.
After Gingerman, we'll get the paint on. Before we go testing, we'll have
the Repsol racing machine.
Sweet. All right, cool. Shutting her down. See y'all. God bless.
See ya.